Hey everyone, this is Christopher, your South Florida yacht expert, and we have an exciting new listing to tell you about. This is a 2015 Pursuit DC 325. Of course, DC stands for dual console. And there's been a real shortage of premium offshore capable dual console boats on the market. And this is exactly that. This is a premium dual console, offshore capable Pursuit boat that is in absolutely perfect condition, as we're going to show you. This Pursuit 2015 Pursuit DC 325 has twin Yamaha 300 horsepower engines with 650 hours on them. This owner is absolutely obsessive about maintenance, and you'll see this boat is as close to a new condition boat as any 2015 model boat can be, even to the point, we'll show you some pictures, the owner cleans the engines themselves so it looks like a brand new Yamaha inside and out. In addition, of course, to all scheduled maintenance and everything that it takes to keep a boat running perfectly. So we're going to take a quick look. We're going to show you this Pursuit DC 325 dual console. It's a gem of a boat if you're looking for a quality premium dual console hull with a very nice head, a little bit of an escape cabin to get away out of the sun. Now, this boat does not have a generator, does not have air conditioning, which makes for a nice, simple, easy maintenance, low complexity boat in a premium riding hull with the dual Yamaha engines, which are, of course, incredibly reliable. And these particular ones have been maintained perfectly. Right, so we're going to give you a quick look at the Pursuit DC 325. And of course, we have a full set of pictures here, but just wanted to give you a live glimpse of this boat because she is a beauty. And there are those twin Yamaha engines, stainless steel propellers, and I'll show you a picture. When we take those engine covers off, even the engine blocks themselves look brand new.